Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make carousel reel on Instagram. Here are the easy steps to create a carousel style Instagram reel using CapCut app on your mobile device. Part 1. Prepare your photos or panels. Select or create 2 to 5 images you want to use in your carousel. They can be edited in Canva or any photo editor. And we have tutorials on how to make carousel posts on Canva with a size of 1080 by 1080, link in the description below. But for this topic, the minimum required size of each carousel for Reels is 1080 by 1920 vertical resolution to fit Reels format. But I think that video could help you. So make sure to change it for Reels if you're going to make one, or follow the link in the description below. Part 2. Open CapCut and create a project. Open the CapCut app on your mobile phone. Tap New Project. Then tap on Albums. Choose Canva. Select your carousel images and the order you want them to appear. Then tap Add. Part 3. Create the sliding carousel effect. Set the duration of each image. For example, 1.5 seconds to 2 seconds by tapping the clip and dragging its edges. Add a slide transition between clips by tapping the white square between them. Hit the search bar and type slide. Choose a slide effect, for example, slide left. So tap on left, hit cancel, and apply it by tapping the check mark. Repeat the transition for all image panels to simulate a horizontal scroll. Optional, add text or stickers to each panel using the text or stickers menu. Part 4. Add music and export. Tap Audio and select music from CapCut's library or import from your device. Preview the full video to make sure transitions and timing feel smooth by tapping play. Tap the export icon, the arrow upwards with the line at the top right, and wait for it to save to your gallery. Final part, post to Instagram Reels. Open Instagram, go to Reels, tap the plus button, choose Reels, upload your video by tapping on it, hit next, and add any finishing touches like text, filters, or music. Then go ahead and post it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.